Okay, we're going to draw a pseudo ellipse. So a pseudo ellipse, you have a major axis, that's AB, and then a minor axis. And so what we do, the first thing we do is we extend the lines of our minor axis, and then we draw a line from A, that's the end of our major axis, to the top of our minor axis. And then we draw an arc from the center of our major axis and minor axis up onto this extension line. And then we draw an arc from where that circle intersects the extension line back onto our diagonal line. And this is the most important part. We then divide that line in two, and this is our bisector. So that's how we divide it, and that gives us our bisector line. Okay, here's our bisector line. And where this bisector line intersects the major axis and the minor axis and its extension, that's where the centers of our circles go. So we're going to draw our first circle, which is our big one, and the center of that circle is at the minor axis. We draw our circle, and it's really easiest just to draw it up to the edge of the bisector line, and then to draw the other part of that large circle. What we can do is we can measure around to find our line there. Okay, and that's the center of our major circle. We draw that, and then we use the intersection of our bisector against our major axis for our second circle, and we draw that in there. And it's easiest just to measure it from where that large circle intersects the bisector. We can measure around. There's a number of ways to find that second circle. You can actually just use the radius of the small circle and measure it from the end of the major axis. That's another way to do it. They should be the same. And then we just draw our circle in. Okay, and that's how we do it.